Gyelanbab. It's delicious.
Hi guys, today I brought really simple Korean food which called Gyelanbab, or some people call it Gyelanbab. It's really pretty simple. You only need rice, the soy sauce, sesame oil, and an egg. That's it. It's quite simple, right? So let's get started. Put some oil on the fan. Turn on the heat. I will make a fried egg, but you can also use the boiled egg. It depends on your preference. Personally, I prefer fried egg than the boiled egg, so I make fried eggs. And when you make a fried egg, you don't need to make a pretty fried egg. Just make it like scrambled egg, because anyway we will mix it with these other ingredients later. I will make a kind of scrambled egg. Alright, it's done. Alright, prepare this kind of big bowl and put some rice and fried egg and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Then mix it. That's it. Alright, this is the Gyelanbab I just made. Let me try. When I was a kid, my mom made this kind of Gyelanbab very often, and I loved it. And now I sometimes make this Gyelanbab, and whenever I ate this Gyelanbab, it brings all the memory of my childhood. So sometimes I really want to eat this Gyelanbab, and also I made this one to my children as well. It's really nice. And wait a minute. Just a second, I really like that. Alright, thanks for waiting. I brought some musang chain. How to make musang chain, you can follow this link over here. And you know, Gyelanbab and musang chain is just a fantastic combination. So let's try. Just perfect. Gyelanbab and musang chain. Just a perfect breakfast in Korea. It's just my personal opinion. Anyway, thank you very much for watching my video, and I come back in the next video. Bye!